Welcome back
to the Harbaugh Village!
I'm Harry Boyer, and I'm here with the lovely Veronica. And it took forever, but that is Mrs. Gina Harbaugh right down the end. And the wonderful Sadie lady, and so many other children that are here. Ladies and gentlemen, Delaware Cadillac is so happy to be back for Christmas time here at Harbaugh Village, because Steve and Gina told me I had to come see their lights. There is over 3,200 people.
That's what I heard. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. They're all giving back.
It is great to see this in the community, just here in little old Mullica Hill Township, New Jersey. Do you have any idea how much it costs to buy an igloo?
Absolutely not. I hear Trent Cole knows.
Trent Cole.
Yes.
I have to ask Trent Cole. Ladies and gentlemen, you too can sponsor an igloo for George's Village here at Harbaugh Village.
Just like Harry's trying to do.
Gina told me that I should support by getting an igloo, but I still, to this day, cannot find out how much it costs to rent an igloo. Trent Cole, if you're out there, call me. All right, so listen, Sadie.
Yes.
What is your favorite part about Harbaugh Village?
Probably either all the games here or the George's house where you can donate toys to children who don't have that much.
That's awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the distinct honor and privilege of standing here with the great Steve Harbaugh.
Hello, Harry. How are you?
I am fantastic, Steve.
Welcome back. You were just here a couple nights ago.
I know I was. And we already heard the story of where the house started from. But what happened last Sunday, Steve? Why don't you tell us?
I'll tell you, it was incredible that it all started at the house, right? And my dream, and someone asked me this, they said, is it my dream? But it was really my dream for all the supporters and the donors over the years, was to have that infamous guy do that scene from the movie, plugging in the lights. And we had Chevy Chase himself here behind me to light up George's house for the kickoff of the toy drive and the charity this year. It was awesome.
I'm very familiar because I got to be here.
You did.
And I also got sucked into introducing you and the lovely Gina Harbaugh.
But that was an honor, and you got to introduce Chevy in the tent.
This tradition of the Harbaugh Village is just amazing. Absolutely. And Steve and Gina both appreciate all of you and what you've done as VIP members and choosing to come here and spend the money going to the charity.
Welcome back to Delaware Cadillac.
And Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
And last night was so fantastic, wasn't it? It just was great.
Come on, man. You know I wasn't there.
Oh. Do you know how many people it took to replace you?
Replace?
All right, fill in. Sorry. It took 3,200 people to fill in for you.
Oh.
Sick.
Yeah.
Home.
Yep.
On your mom's couch.
Yes.
Yes. And Harbaugh Village really does demonstrate the true Christmas spirit.
Oh,
it
my
is
gosh.
families, it is charity, it is all for a good cause. Do you know what else we haven't been here on since? Kaitlyn and I got to meet Paula Abdul, and I've brought it up casually at Wine, Women, and Shoes, but we got to meet Paula Abdul.
We did.
And hang out with her for a while for the Wigs and Wishes Foundation, which is a great foundation. Let's talk about car promotion.
All righty.
Emerald Lake Metallic. This 2024 Cadillac LYRIQ is Emerald Lake Metallic with the Sky Cool Gray interior. It is all-wheel drive. There is, depending on what state you live in, there are tax credits and advantages when you go electric, as they're pushing all of us towards that electric build. There's a federal tax credit of $7,500. Wow. And depending on your income level, you could actually apply that to your taxes for $7,500. On top of that, New Jersey, do you know that if you buy an electric car, there's no sales tax?
Really?
You pay no sales tax on an electric car in New Jersey.
Well, great. That's even more of an incentive to buy one.
Every state has additional tax credits that you could qualify for. And with Cadillac, if you buy or lease this car, it will include one of two things. $1,500 towards the installation of an electric charger for your house.
Ooh.
And the other option is 2 years of EV Go unlimited charging.
Amazing.
They're not going to do this for you forever. As they push towards the conversion of electric, Tesla doesn't do that for you. Cadillac offering you $1,500 towards the charger or 2 years of EV Go charging, that's a plus. It's to suck you in and get you ready. And we have another way that we're going to suck you in and get you ready. Why don't you tell them about the lease?
Sure, you can lease this beautiful LYRIQ for $59.25 due at signing, bringing your monthly lease payment to $589 a month.
And it's Delaware Cadillac, and even on a LYRIQ.
Even on a LYRIQ?
It's Christmas time, baby.
Aw. We're going to pay your first 4 lease payments.
Let's talk about a brand new gas-powered XT5 Radiant Red Cirrus interior. And if you want to buy this car, it has an ultra-view sunroof, navigation, the 6-cylinder engine, and so much more. Leather interior, heated seats. It lists for $53,815. But you could save up to $5,250.
What?
And wait, get your dancing shoes on.
I know, I saw.
$48,565. Now, that's when you qualify for the Cadillac lease loyalty rebate, which is worth $3,250. That can be applied for the buy or the lease. You don't have a dance for that. You should. I mean, that's a lot of money.
That is a lot of money. What is?
You're going to have to think about this.
Okay.
All right, and then $1,000 in what would have been consumer cash. Go ahead.
That's the
Consumer
turn.
cash. Yeah. Okay, but now it's called down payment assistance. So what do you like? What can you do with that?
Ooh.
All right, $1,000
know.
in bonus cash. That's because our head
The only
is
thing that I can
clogged.
think for down payment was to like drop it down low,
Okay,
but I don't
go
know
ahead.
if that's really that appropriate.
All right,
in a
go ahead.
dress.
Let's try it.
We'll try it.
Down payment assistance. That's good. I like it. It's Christmas. Let's go.
Okay.
Drop it from the top. The lease.
Oh yes, for $44.99 due at signing, your monthly lease payment will be $479 a month.
And it's Delaware Cadillac.
So we pay your first 4 lease payments.
To the opulent blue 2024 Cadillac XT6. Cirrus interior, premium luxury, all-wheel drive, driver assist, enhanced visibility. This vehicle has a list price of $63,985. You can save $5,250, $3,250 in Cadillac lease loyalty, $1,000 in down payment assistance.
That was a dumb dance.
No,
and then
it was
I got
good.
All right, leg muscles.
All right, there you go. And $1,000 in bonus cash. It's Christmas time. And you will buy it for $58,735. You can also take advantage of 2.9% APR financing available for a limited time on a lot of these vehicles that are here and available right at Delaware Cadillac. Just take
Exit 7.
and come to Cadillac heaven. Now, I'm not done yet, Vince. I'm going to start talking a long time. Steve brought up the fact that I got to introduce them on stage, and I was joking about it, but because they sucked me into working. But yes, I was truly honored. I got to introduce Steve and Gina for Chevy Chase when they brought them on stage.
That's awesome.
I got to auction off for meet and greet tickets for Chevy Chase.
Oh, sweet.
It was pretty cool.
3 tickets left. And we all appreciate you coming tonight and knowing how we started and our whole background. We got 350. Do we have 400? Do I see 400 tonight?
You can lease this vehicle for $4,999, making your monthly lease payment $599 a month. And it's Delaware Cadillac, so we're going to pay
Your first 4 lease payments. And in honor of making this podcast our longest one yet, Kaitlyn has written a poem that she's going to recite to you all now.
He's just joking. The poem goes, you can buy this vehicle, you're welcome, for $85,590, but you're going to save $3,000 in down payment assistance. Drop it, right? Yeah?
Yes, you
All
made
right.
it up.
I know. And then you're going to buy this for $82,590.
That's a great poem, and it continues with, it's a 2024 Cadillac CT4V Blackwing. Not only are we #1 year to date in the Philadelphia district for retail Cadillac sales. But in the entire Northeast, no one else sells as many V's and Blackwings as right here in little old, always sunny Wilmington, Delaware. We are the #1 V and Blackwing dealer, and this is a cyber yellow, sky cool gray with the red stitching, red seatbelts, which you know I'm addicted to, the blue calipers, and you can lease it with just $57.25 to its signing for only $11.95 a month. But this vehicle is well over $80,000, and it's Delaware Cadillac, and we still
Pay your first 4 lease payments.
and it's a 6-speed manual. You can't find that in many cars nowadays. So just take
Exit 7.
and find out why, especially at Christmas time. It's Cadillac heaven. Merry Christmas. And you know it's a shame?
What?
Although we saw Santa last night, we can't have characters, and he's not here because you know what I got this Christmas
What'd you got?
that we have not had for the last few Christmases?
I have no idea.
A deal on an Escalade.
What?
It is a 2023 event car. It's an event car, so I can say it's a deal on an Escalade. That's a steal. And you're going to save, this vehicle only has a couple thousand miles on it, used during the U.S. Open.
All right.
You're going to save $7,500 right here, right now. It is a platinum. It is $116,070 in list price. And you know what? It's Christmas, so save $75.25.
Ooh.
And you will buy it right now for $108,545. It is a platinum white with the dark auburn interior, augmented reality, night vision. And if you want to lease it,
For $7,500 due at signing, your monthly lease payment will be $1,599 a month.
Santa, I'm sorry you're not here to come get it, but it's here waiting for you, and we will pay.
Your first 4 lease payments.
Merry Christmas, everybody. This podcast has gone on long enough, but the season, live every moment, celebrate with your family, donate, do what you can do, and then take
Exit 7.
and come find out why it's Cadillac Christmas heaven. And get your Cadillac today.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Santa!